In this video, I just want to show you how to create your own custom brushes, and maybe you can sell them and earn some cash from it. But let's assume you need it for your work, so how we can create the brushes from those objects. As you can see, I got flames from up here. It's a different types of flames, and from up here I got this heart in fire. How we can go and create brushes from there. From this. Okay, now let's go and start. First, let's come up here and unlock this, just like that. Really simple. Now let's go double click up here to bring up this layer style. We will discuss about this later, but for now what's important to get rid of this black color and in background. So how we are going to do that? Let's go remove this layer and remove this around here. But as you can see, those tricky areas are really sharp and we don't want that for our brushes. So how we can deal with this? Let me just go back a little bit more. Now when I'm holding Alt or Option key on Mac, from the right side of this, I will just hit and drag it out, and it will remove those tricky areas for us, just like that. And I will hit OK. Now when we got rid of our background, let's go ahead and create some brush. I will go and pick polygonal lasso tool, and let's just say I want this. Okay, I will make selection around this, just like that. Now let's go to edit, then define brush presets, and let's call it, I will call practice 1, and just hit OK. Now we got our brush, and I will use this brush later, but for now let's go with our second image, and we will do a similar thing for this image. I will unlock this background layer, double click up here and remove this background. As you can see, it's really tricky. Okay, and I will do the same thing by holding Alt on the right side of this. I will remove those tricky areas. Around that is fine. And hit OK. Now again I will hit polygonal lasso tool, make selection of this object, then go to edit and choose define brush presets. Let's go call it practice 2. Okay, now we got our brushes. Let's go and try it on. And one more thing, what's really important when you're making your brushes, you go always with larger images. If you go this way, always try to work with larger images, because when you go, let me show you. As you can see from up here, I will choose my brush tool, and let's go. At the end will be our brushes. As you can see, practice 1 and practice 2. Let's try it on. And I will use some blue color, I think, for it. Okay, it's really important, but just like that. And that's our brush that we just created. What's important for size, as I mentioned, it's important to work with larger images when you create your own brushes. Why is it important to work with larger images when you're creating your own custom brushes? Well, that's because when you, for example, we got this pretty good and large brush, but if my image was really lower quality and the size will be really just like this maybe, and when I try to increase the size of my brush, we will get something that's called pixelized, and we don't want that. So it's really important to work with larger brushes. As you can see, this is our brush 1, and go with the brush number 2. Let's go with the red color and try it on. It's really big, that's why I'm telling you. I will undo this and I will increase the size of it, as you can see. This is our heart in flame. It's really amazing effect, as you can see. And one more thing before I finish with this video. You can create your own custom brushes and sell it. You can earn some extra cash from it, but that thing you will go by your own, because I won't cover that in this course, maybe in some next. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you all got this, and those effects are really amazing. As you can see, it's really stunning effect, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.